If you are making soap for a hobby or a business, I'm going to show you a calculator that'll help you to track your cost and how much to sell your soap for. This is available in Google Sheets and Excel on my website at savvyandthriving.com. Okay, so here we go. So first at the top, we're going to put the recipe name. So let's put, lavender. Next, we want to put the ingredients on the left for our soap. So let's just do a sample here. Okay, so let's put in oil at the beginning. And then the full package amount, let's say 5 cups, and the total package cost, say, was $25. And then say that you are going to need a 1/4 cup of the oil. So just make sure that when you're putting in the full package amount that you're going from cups to cups. So what you'll need to do is make sure that you've tracked in, say if you need teaspoons in your ingredients, you will have to calculate the total amount of teaspoons in your full package, and then it will do the calculation for you. So once you put everything on here from your ingredients, it will calculate the total cost of your item. And then here, this is going to be the prep part. The planning, prep, cutting, packaging, and more we can put here. So we can put say we want to put the rate per hour. You know, how long does it take to plan, prepare, cut, and package our item. If you wanted to, put any other items here, you could. And then packaging cost. So now the total cost for this item is $11. If there's shipping involved, we can add that. And then it will calculate your total cost. So your grand total for everything is $33.11. So we are also calculating here on the bottom, we're going to see the total net profit and the profit margin. And then we're also going to see, the full loaf soap price. We're going to price this out for, $50. And then we can also price it by bar. And then as we change that around, we can see, what we should price our items for. So this will give you a profit margin calculator for the entire loaf of your soap and for per bar. So if you wanted to bring this up a little bit and say the full loaf is going to be 65 to make that around 50% profit, you can. And then, if it's going to make 12 bars, we can adjust that as well. So you can just play around with this to know how much you should sell your items for and how much you should sell per bar. So, and there's also a measurement conversion chart as well, so you know how to calculate from ounces to tablespoons and such. So that's how this sheet works. I hope this helps you. It's available again on my website at savvyandthriving.com. I have an entire soap business bundle that can help you, so feel free to check it out and let me know if you have questions. I hope you guys have a great day.